Welcome to week 4 of our core shred challenge. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and let's get started. Supine from here, cross that right leg over, exhale, crunch and press. So we lift and lengthen. So the right ankle is crossed over the left, exhale and press, lift. So really contracting navel into the spine, breathing at the top portion here. Exhale, the left arm is pushing, so you're reaching with that opposite arm. Press and reach. Hold right here, let's pulse it. Exhale, elbows going nice and wide. Scoop and press. Gentle pulses here, pressing and reaching towards the center midline. 4, 3, 2, last one. Cross Battement, crunch and press. So we Battement lift and lower. Connect the elbow into the knee, lift and lower press. Try to find the connection as much as you can. If your hamstring is not allowing you to get to that point, just try to aim for it. Really finding that midline crunch, squeezing through the top, press, lift and press. Hold right here, let's pulse it. Tiny little pulses. Squeeze and hug. Try to maintain that connection. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, last one. Set it down. Climb the rope. So it's like you've got this imaginary rope that you're climbing up. Push. Up and reach through the center. Keep the breath straight up. Keep climbing it. You've got it. You're going to get to the top. We are on week 4 of our challenge. We've got about 9 more days left of this challenge, and I'm so happy that you pushed play today. Press, we go right away into rolling like a ball. If you need to modify, you can always place those hands behind the hamstrings, or to advance, you're going to lift. If you want to further advance, you can reach those toe tips. So we slowly come down, we lift and we extend down, or you can eliminate it. It's just an advancement, just an option for you today. Lift and press. One last one. Exhale, slowly come down. Extend those legs. We've got the opposite side to do. So we lift and lower. My mat is a little bit crazy. We're just gonna go with it and press. Lift and lower. Exhale. That's the bad thing with working on carpet and a mat. The mat never seems to cooperate. Lift and lower, but you've got to roll with those punches and press. Lift and press. We're gonna hold that last one. We pulse it right here. Lift through your chest. Elongate. Keep it moving. Breathe through the center. No jerks here. Really solid. Transitions up and press. Now my left hamstring is a bit tighter than my right. Exhale, but we still fight for it. We still try to find that equal balance between both sides. One side is probably more stretchy or more tight than the opposite side, but it's about finding that balance. And press, hold it. Let's pulse right here. Little isolated pulses. Keep it nice and strong here. Nothing jerking. We're nice and fluid. Press, last one. Set it down from here. Climb that rope. Exhale and press. So we lift up that rope. We're climbing high. We are gonna make it today. Up and press. Day 22 of our 30-day core shred challenge. We are gonna feel so strong and confident this summer, or whatever special occasion you've got going on, or just simply to have that nice strong powerhouse within the body. It's absolutely essential to have a strong core powerhouse to do any of your daily activities. And if you want to, add that teaser on. Press. Exhale, lift up and out of the chest. Try not to slump. Lift through your heart center. up. These are pretty challenging, so if you need to modify, you modify. Up and press. Give me 2 more right here. Inhale. Exhale, just roll to the shoulder tips. 1 last one, hold it up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Awesome work, guys. Thank you so much for joining me for week 4, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.